I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Let your amen turn down. Let your amen turn down. I hear Sebastian's clan hyperplasia. Sebastian's clan hyperplasia. If you are the one putting on the live stream, the devil is a liar. Let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Right now. Right now. Right now. Every heart palpitation, every heart enlargement, every fluid in the heart, every prolapse of heart valve, by the power that raised Jesus from the dead, let all be reversed. Let all be reversed. Let all be reversed. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Let your amen rise. That witchcraft attack that has followed you from one house to another. You will move out of another house. You will move into a new one. You bought 3 of your own. The witchcraft activity followed you to all those 3 houses. Right now you are renting one. The attack has followed you there. The devil is alive.